Hi lovelies, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video we are going to make an Asian dish which is called Nihary. Nihary is a boneless meat which is cooked in thick gravy. So if you want to see, keep watching, and if you are new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and on the notification to get notified whenever I upload a new video. For my old subscriber, thank you so much for coming back, and let's get started. So this ingredient that we'll need in our Nihary, we got meat here 400 gram, and these are just bones which is gonna give a nice taste in our soup. There's no meat, just the bones. And we got onion. You have to cut your onion like this, not thick thin like this, so it can be easy to fry. And we got here green chili. This is ginger. I have a half cup of oil, salt, turmeric powder, meat spice, red chili, and freshly squeezed lemon juice. Here we got our just plain flour and water, of course. Okay guys, ginger, green chili, and onion. We'll need this on the last, but fry onion now and set aside with ginger and garlic for later. So my oil is already hot. I'm going to dip my onion and fry until it's light golden. So guys, when you fry this onion, you have to keep stirring after putting in the oil, because if you're gonna just leave it like that, down is gonna burn, on top is gonna be another color. We want this onion same light golden, so you have to keep stirring. And when it's done, just bring a plate which you have something which is gonna be able to absorb the excess oil that is in the onion. So it's done now, is what I'm doing. So yeah. Okay, now that I'm done with onion, my pot is already in the fire. I'm going to add oil and add spices. So this is 1 teaspoon of red chili, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of meat spice, salt. So I'm going to mix it and just fry for a few seconds. Okay, now I'm going to be adding meat, and I'm going to fry this meat for about 2 to 3 minutes to make it nice and golden from the outside. After 3 minutes, just go ahead and add your bones. Okay, now I'm gonna be adding water. You just have to add enough water to cover the meat. Just mix it well, and we are going to cover the pot and let it cook until the meat is tender. Okay guys, so the meat is nice and tender. I'm going to be transferring in the bowl, and then I'm going to remove all the bones. By the way guys, the soup today is so red because of the chili powder that I use. Is the color is so red today. I don't know why, because it's not the same I'm using always. This is the new packet I opened today, and I'm not happy with the color of it. It's giving my soup so much this reddish, but it's okay. And now I'm going to be removing the meat as well and set aside. Okay, now I'm going to transfer the soup in the pot. Once I'm done that, I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of plain flour in a bowl where I'm going to be adding some water and make a nice paste with it. Okay, now that I'm done making paste, I'm going to put in the pot, but I'm going to be using strainer to save the mixture. Okay, now I'm going to mix everything well, and I'm going to be adding some more water because, as you can see guys, the soup is small and I need a little bit more soup. So once I'm done, I'm going to bring for boil, and you have to keep stirring until it start boiling. Okay, now that my pot is boiling, I'm gonna be adding the meat that I removed from the soup earlier. So I'm going to just mix it well, and I'm going to wait until it start boiling. Just leave it on high flame. Once it start boiling, just lower the flame and cover your pot. You're going to let it simmer for about 10 minutes, and voila. So this is how you prepare your nyari. Nyari is done. This dish is so yummy, you guys. It's really delicious. I'm just not happy with the color because of the chili that I use, and here is gonna come more dark, as you guys can see, because of the light. And yeah guys, so to serve, you have to put a piece in the plate like I'm showing here, and you break in small pieces. Now we're going to add some soup, and after that we're going to be adding some fried onion, the onion that I already prepared earlier. We're going to add that on top, and add green chili. Is optional. If you like, you can add. And we're going to add also some some slice of ginger, and then we're going to add lemon juice and some black pepper if you like. That's it guys, so this is how it looks like after putting everything. This dish is so yummy. You can serve with rice or roti. I prefer to eat with naan, and if you want to see how I make this naan, I will drop the link in the description box. You can check it out, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.